Today, I'll show you how to add a button in Constant Contact. Whether you're looking to create a powerful call to action or simply want to make your emails more interactive, adding a button can really enhance your communication with your audience. Let's dive in and make your emails more engaging. To get started, open your web browser and head to constantcontact.com. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to do so using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where you can manage all your email marketing campaigns. Now, look for the Campaigns tab, typically located in the top navigation bar. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a list of all your current and past email campaigns. Here, you can see everything you've been working on and what might need a little tweak or two. Next, find the specific campaign you want to edit. Perhaps it's a new promotion or an ongoing newsletter. Whatever your campaign is, select it. Once you've made your choice, click Edit to open the campaign editor. This is where the creative magic happens. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a panel labeled Content. This is your toolkit for designing the email. It includes all sorts of elements like images, text boxes, and importantly, buttons. The content panel is your go-to place for customizing your email's appearance and functionality. Now, scroll through the content options until you find the button element. It might be nestled between other elements like text boxes or dividers. Once you've located it, simply click on it and drag it over to your email design on the right side of the screen. You'll see a shadow of the button move along with your cursor. This is where it will be placed. Release the button when you're satisfied with its position in your layout. After placing the button, you can customize it to better fit your needs. Click on the button to access its settings. Here, you can change the text to something action-driven like Shop Now or Learn More. You can also adjust its color to match your brand's palette, ensuring consistency with your overall design. Additionally, don't forget to link the button to an appropriate URL or landing page that aligns with your call to action. This step is crucial as it directs your audience to the right place with just one click. And there you have it. Your button is now part of your email design, ready to capture attention and drive action. Remember to save your changes before exiting the editor to ensure everything is updated. Adding a button is a simple yet effective way to enhance your email strategy, making it easier for recipients to interact with your content. I hope you found this guide helpful. Adding buttons in Constant Contact is a great way to engage your audience and guide them towards taking action. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.